How to download and install Rumble app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So Rumble app is basically a social media platform where you can chat, watch and upload videos. You can also do live stream. This app is available in Play Store and I think it is available in App Store as well. So in order to install it, all you have to do is go to Play Store, then search for Rumble. This is the app you would be looking for. A green triangular shaped logo with a white one inside. So as you can see, this is kind of like Instagram, and all you have to do is press on the install button and it will be installed. Simply create an account and you will be good to go. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.